Hi children, this is Uma. Today we are going to see about Chemistry Chapter 2, Materials, Metals and Non-Metals, Part 1. Learning Objectives. To know about introduction and occurrence of metals and non-metals. Introduction. Element is the basic constituent of all matter. Elements can be classified into the following two groups depending on their physical and chemical properties. Metals such as iron, copper, tin, silver and gold. In general, metals are hard and shiny in appearance. Non-metals such as hydrogen, nitrogen, oxygen, carbon, silicon, sulfur and phosphorus. In general, they are not so hard and dull in appearance. Metalloids. There are also certain elements such as arsenic, antimony, and germanium which have some properties of metals and some properties of non-metals. They are known as metalloids. Definition of metals. Metals are defined as elements which form positive ions by losing electrons. Non-metals. Non-metals are defined as elements which form negative ions by gaining electrons. Occurrence of metals. In nature, most metals occur in combined state as minerals. Nearly all rocks contain some metallic minerals. However, often the amount of metal present in the rock is so little that it is too expensive to mine these rocks and extract the metal from them. If the amount of metal is more, it is profitable to mine the rocks and extract the metal. Such rocks are called ores. In ores, the useful metallic mineral is mixed with other minerals which are not much used. These minerals present as impurities are called gangue. Some metals such as silver, platinum and gold are not very reactive. They occur in free state in nature. Their ores contain particles of metals mixed with large quantities of impurities. They are known as noble metals. Occurrence of nonmetals. Hydrogen. Hydrogen is the most abundant element in the universe. It is chief element that makes up the sun and other stars. On Earth, hydrogen mainly occurs in combined form as a constituent of water, petroleum, natural gas, coal, clay, and all animals and plants. Nitrogen. Nitrogen mainly occurs in the free state in the atmosphere. About 76% by mass of air is nitrogen. Oxygen. Oxygen is the most abundant element in the earth crust. It occurs in the free state in the atmosphere, forming about 23% by mass of the atmosphere. In the combined state, it constitutes about 89% by mass of water. It is also present in the combined state in the earth crust as oxides, carbonates, and silicates of metals. Carbon. In the free state, carbon occurs as graphite, diamond, and coal. Diamond and graphite are pure forms of carbon. Coal contains 60 to 90% of carbon. In the combined state, it occurs in the atmosphere as carbon dioxide. In the earth crust, it occurs as carbonates of metals and as fossil fuels. Carbon is a central element of all living matter. Silicon. Silicon is the second most abundant element in the earth crust. It does not occur in the free state. In the combined state, it occurs as silica and silicates. The most common form of silica is sand. Sulfur. Sulfur occurs in the free state in the earth crust. In the combined state, it occurs in rocks as metal sulfates and sulfides. It also occurs as hydrogen sulfide, which is present in petroleum and natural gas. Noble gases such as helium, neon, argon, krypton, and xenon occur in elemental form in the air. Extraction of nonmetals from their sources is equally important. Nonmetals so obtained help in the production of many useful chemicals. Here I have given you some questions, so read these questions carefully and write the answers in an A4 sheet or in a separate notebook. Question number 1. Define metals. Number 2. What is called a non-metal? Number 3. Give examples for noble metals. Number 4. Name the most abundant element in the earth crust. Number 5. Give examples for noble gases. Thank you.